You don't need a degree in tech to make money with AI. In fact, these 7 tools are helping regular people, just like you, earn online, create content, and automate their side hustles. And today, I'll show you exactly how to use them to make money in 2025. 7 powerful AI tools to make you money. AI-powered writing as a selling point for social media managers or copywriters. 2. Canva plus Magic Write for design plus branding. Use it for social media graphics, business cards, logo creation. Sell templates or branded designs to small biz owners. Strategy: offer monthly social media content packs for SMEs. 3. Pictory AI for faceless YouTube videos. Converts blog posts or scripts into videos using AI. Great for running motivational, Bible verse, or finance channels without showing your face. Strategy: start a faceless YouTube channel or sell video creation services. 4. Descript for podcast and video editing. Edit audio and video just by editing the text. No advanced editing needed. Strategy: offer podcast editing for creators globally, even via WhatsApp. 5. Leonardo AI or Midjourney for AI art and NFTs. Create stunning artwork, album covers, children's books, illustrations. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or directly to clients. Strategy: build a niche print-on-demand store. 6. Flicky or Google TTS for voiceovers. Turn text to voice for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Reels, perfect for faceless content. Strategy: sell voiceover services or create motivational shorts with AI voice. 7. Notion AI for productivity plus planning systems. Build and sell Notion templates, budget trackers, digital planners. Use it to organize client work. Strategy: monetize digital productivity templates on Gumroad. Bonus: AI side hustle ideas. Sell AI-generated books on Amazon KDP. Use AI to research and flip trending products. Launch a personal finance blog using AI content plus SEO tools. The world is moving fast, but if you learn how to use these AI tools, you're not just watching the future happen, you're profiting from it. Pick one tool, learn it deeply, and start offering it as a service. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start. Want a list of the tools and free resources? Comment AI Toolkit, and I'll send it to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow hustlers.